Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Chirni Chandra. I'll ask you a question. Which is more easy, smiling or frowning? And do you know why and what are these small lines between the medicines that you take? Have you ever thought of that? And did you know that Adolf Hitler and Alexander the Great both were scared of cats? And the animal which is seen on the screen has somewhat like a bulletproof skin. Yes, you heard me right. And in order to get the information of all these things, stay tuned till the end of the video. So friends, let's get started.
And let's start with fact number 19. Chocolate. Who don't love chocolate? Everyone in this world loves chocolate. And do you know the world's most costly chocolate? And if you don't know, don't worry, I'll tell you. ITC's luxury chocolate brand Fable Exquisite Chocolates has introduced its limited edition rain chocolate called as Trinity Truffles Extraordinaire, which entered the Guinness Book of World Record to become the world's most expensive chocolate. Co-curated by France's Michelin star chef Philippe Conticini and Fable's master chocolatier, Fable's Trinity Truffles Extraordinaire box is priced at an approximately Rs 4.3 lakh per kg. Fact number 18. Now, this what you're seeing on the screen is one of the most expensive thing present in this world and the most expensive jewelry watch ever created. And its name is the Graf Diamond Hallucination Watch, and its cost price is about 55 million US dollar. Yes, its owner is the brainchild of Lawrence Graf, the chairman of Graf Diamonds, adorned with 110 carats of world's rarest color diamonds like fancy intense pink, fancy light grey blue, fancy orange and fancy green. And the Graf Hallucination Watch was first presented at the Basel World in 2014. Fact number 17. QR codes. You may have scanned the QR codes for some odd reasons like online banking, like Paytm or Google Pay. But this QR code, what you're seeing on the screen, is a very large QR code. And this QR code is an effort to boost the tourism in the Xinhao village of China. In order to boost the tourism, they built a giant QR code. And if you're thinking that this is made from somewhat metal or something, then you're wrong. This is actually made by 1,30,000 trees, and even this QR code can be scanned. Yes. Fact number 16. Now I'll ask a question. Which is the most expensive photo ever sold? And if you don't know, don't worry, I'll tell you. It is the Rain 2. It is a color photograph made by German visual artist Andreas Gursky in the year 1999. In this image, there's a river, that's the Lower Rhine. It flows horizontally across the field of view, between flat green fields under an overcast sky. Extras details such as a dog walker and a factory building were removed by the artist using digital editing. And in 2011, a print was auctioned for 4.3 million US dollar or 32 crores 6,63,040 Indian rupees, making it the most expensive photograph ever sold. And then, fact number 15. You all know about the extreme survivor Bear Grylls, and you have seen him in TV many times. Now I'll tell you a fact based on it. Bear Grylls broke his back after falling from 16,000 feet due to a torn parachute, and then doctors said that he wouldn't be able to walk again. But just 2 years later, this man, Bear Grylls, the extreme survivor, he climbed the Mount Everest. Yes, he climbed the Mount Everest. Now, I like this man, and for this fact, give a like to this video. Wow, amazing. Fact number 14. Now I'll ask you a question. Which is the world's most brightest color in the world? And you may say white, but you're completely wrong. The world's most brightest color is yellow. Yes. Now the brightest color even on your screen is yellow. Right now you are most likely to be looking at an OLED screen, like an iPhone, MacBook, iPad, or any TV screen, or even an Android, the brightest color of the screen will be yellow. So as long as you're looking at the screen like the one you're looking now, yellow will be the brightest color, and it will be the brightest color in the world too. Fact number 30.
You all may have heard about the sinking Titanic ship. Now, do you know the cost price of it? If you don't know, don't worry, I'll tell you. The cost price of making this Titanic ship took 7.5 million US dollar or 54 crore 95 lakh 93,250 Indian rupees. But the Titanic film, which is a film based on the sinking Titanic ship, took about 200 million US dollar, and that's about 27 times more than the cost of making the Titanic ship. From the money of making this Titanic ship, we could take 27 more Titanic ship that time. And then comes fact number 12.
Suppose think that I went to a market and I brought some products. Now, when I see the label on those products, I see this sticker of Made in China. Not only me, you may have also seen this sticker of Made in China on most of the products that you buy. But wait, I'll ask you a question. Now, that question is, where are these Made in China stickers actually made? You may obviously say that they are made in China, but you are wrong. They are not made in China. They are actually made in South Korea. And this is the reason why the sticker stays longer than the product itself. Fact number 11. In 2007, a New York family bought a small ball for just $3 US in a garage sale. But after some days, it was sold out for 2.23 million US dollar or 16 crore 34 lakh 8,936 Indian rupees. This is because this bowl was a 1,000-year-old ding bowl from the China's Song dynasty. Wow, this family is too lucky. Fact number 10. Most of you love cats, and these cats are one of the adorable creatures in the world. Now, I'll ask you a question. Why do cats meow? You will say that cat meow to communicate with other cats. But what if I say you're wrong? Yes, you're wrong. Cat don't meow to communicate with other cats. Cats meow to communicate with us, humans. Fact number 9. Many symbol out of one symbol. Now you all may have seen this symbol of this Anglo-Dutch company called as Unilever, and this company contains other companies which are well-known brands with hygiene, nutrition and personal care. But if you look carefully at the symbol, you will see 25 other symbols, and some of them are like sun, hand, DNA, air, palm tree and other symbol, etc. Wow. Fact number 8. Now what do you think this image is of? And if you don't know, wait, I'll tell you. This is the magnified image of a washed toothbrush bristle. When you look at your toothbrush to your naked eyes, it will look clean when you wash. But when you magnify it and look at it, you can get this image. This is the remains of the food yesterday when you brushed your teeth after eating the food. So friends, wash your toothbrush before and after use. Fact number 7. A man in India set a world record in the year 1986 by spending 72 hours in a cage containing 72 of the most venomous snake species in India in order to spread the awareness and to prove that snakes don't bite unless provoked. He came out of the cage unharmed without even a single bite. So friends, never harm animals. If we harm them, they will harm us. Fact number 6.
Now friends, if you look at this statue, you can tell that I have seen this face somewhere. And if you don't know, don't worry, I'll tell you. This statue, in this image, there is the famous singer and dancer
Michael Jackson. This is a 3,000-year-old Egyptian statue present in the Chicago Museum, and it exactly resembles the face of Michael Jackson. Now friends, this was sculpted even many years before Michael Jackson was born on earth. Now friends, what do you think about this statue? Write down in the comment section below. Fact number 5. Now if you're thinking that this is a movie set, then you're completely wrong. This beautiful place is the Faroe Islands present in Denmark. Wow, what a beautiful scenery. Wow, that's amazing. Fact number 4. Now I'll ask you a question which is more easy, smiling or frowning. And if you don't know, don't worry, I'll tell you. It takes 17 muscles to smile and it takes 43 muscles to frown. So friends, always stay happy, keep smiling. Fact number 3. Now, this animal what you're seeing on the screen are called as armadillos. Now, they have the toughest skin and has something like a bulletproof skin. And in order to prove it, there's a story for you. A man in Texas was hit in the face with a bullet from his own gun. But this bullet was initially aimed to that armadillo. But when it struck the hard shell of the armadillo, it recoiled from its hard shell and struck to the shooter itself. And this happened in 2015. And you can get the incident in websites like The Hindu and CNNnews.com. And then, fact number 2. Now if I tell you about this fact, you won't believe it. And that is it. Adolf Hitler and Alexander the Great, both these fearless men, were scared of our cute and adorable cats. Yes, you heard me right. Both Alexander the Great and Adolf Hitler had the scared of cats because these both had ailurophobia or the fear of cats. And for this fact, 1 like should be there for this video. Fact number 1. Now you may have noticed the small straight line between your medicines that you take. And have you ever the why these small lines are there and what are these small lines? And if you don't know, don't worry, I'll tell you. These small lines are called as debossed line, and this line represents that if a tablet has a line in its middle, then it can be divided into half and can be taken. And if it doesn't have this line, then it should be taken entirely at just once. Now friends, how did you felt about this fact? Write down in the comment section below. Now friends, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video and gained your knowledge by listening to these facts, then give a like to this video, share this video with your friends, family and relatives so that they can also get information about this fact. And also get subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon that's present beside the subscribe button. And stay tuned with our channel friends. Get all the updates by subscribing to our channel. And in this hard situation of COVID-19, stay home with your loved ones. So friends, let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care friends. Bye-bye.